Hey everyone, it's been a while, long while. Today we're looking back at the roundabout video that started it all. Let's see if I can re-inspire myself to get back out there in the bushes, on the roundabouts. Let's look at the first video. I might fast forward
nice travel lodge here.
It's,
be nice, wouldn't it?
But don't enjoy watching myself.
That's not what we're here for, is it?
Yeah, red backpack. Got a little bit of criticism for that, stealth camping with.
Tonight we're going to try camp on a roundabout. Let's see how it goes.
Went alright, you know? Went alright. Here I am, Amesbury.
That's where we're thinking.
Countess roundabout here. Slept on this roundabout twice now. Once in a tent this time, and in a van.
Oh, the hardest bit of this is getting across. Without looking too weird, anyway.
Another YouTuber actually camped on this roundabout after I did. That's proper cheeky. Proper cheeky, that is. This roundabout's grown a lot since I was on it.
It's camera but pointing down the road.
There it is. This section of the roundabout is not clear at all now. This was like my fourth video, I think. I think so, maybe. As I was doing this video, I had 100 subscribers. I posted a link on like one of those proper camping Facebook groups. You know, I got a few like people disapproved, but you know.
There's this big cutout right through the roundabout, but it's a bit visible. Unless you want to spend the whole night on our arse.
Yeah, April 4th. Still a little chilly.
We'll try and get in here. Thorns.
Looking for a place to put a little tent in all this.
It's not too inviting here though. Like a bit like a jungle. Might be here where we camp tonight.
So you've not changed too much. Slightly more hair back then.
Hopefully we don't pop around that.
We may have. We may have. Still got them both there.
There's not really
collection over there.
Not really much space at all. It's a bit of a slope as well. So.
Can't remember what I was thinking. Was I thinking of backing out, you know, again? Or just moaning?
Looks like there might be a little bit of a space through there. So
you can see that, right? Just right there. That space, yeah?
Try get up there.
I think I go up a little bit and then come back. There's nothing.
was. These things are so unpleasant.
I said this was my like third or fourth video. This is probably my only like fifth or sixth time actually camping on my own as well. Before stealth camping, I probably camped once wild camping. You know, like in a proper, wild, in like Lake District once.
Yeah. Here looks like the best place we're going to get. That clearing is not too far away, but should be okay. Here's the place we're going to try and sleep tonight. Just going to put the bag down and see if the tent will even fit, and try and keep it away from some of these branches, because some of them are pretty horrible and spiky. I bring the footprint with me today just to give me a little bit of extra protection, but pretty tight in here. But just standing here, another tree there.
Excuse me a minute. Hey, just recording something, okay? Okay. And we're back.
There we go. It's a cosy one.
Well, nice little setup that.
Put it up.
Perfectly formed size, made for that spot. That tent is.
It's going to be cold tonight. I'm going to go down to 1 degrees. But I'm not sure if I'm going to put the insulated mat down.
If you're currently paying for a subscription to a doorbell camera, stop now. This revolutionary, affordable, subscription-free...
Just because this ground, there's trees coming up everywhere. And I don't really want to break the mat. But, don't know whether rough it or put the mat down. Questions. It's about 6:30 now. I think I'm just going to get something to eat.
Always telling the time.
Sun's still up. Looks nice. Fruit branches.
Still do that.
When I'm out. There's a couple of hot cross buns, so I might have a couple more. And then see what I feel about putting the mat in. For dinner tonight, I've got some chocolate, some hot cross buns.
Still didn't really cook in the videos back there then. I had a pretty horrible meal in this video.
Just some butter, a beer. I'm going to try these.
Warm beer and
Dolmio pasta sauce mini meatballs.
Disgusting meatballs.
From Home Bargains. So you've got a pot in there. Got a pack of pasta as well, really cooked. Yeah. I have the hot cross buns now though. So I've got
probably would have been alright meal if you had like loads of cheese, but as it was.
Toaster. So now I can burn toast while camping as well as at home. Just grab this little bit of clearing. I'll cook some hot cross buns. This stuff ain't a great surface for cooking it. Don't put anything down, you never find it again.
Why roundabouts?
I bought this Primus toaster.
Had this roundabout particular in mind for a while.
I'm allergic to nature.
I don't know, just thought if I camp on a roundabout that will definitely be like something.
It's, Easter Saturday today.
Yeah. Did take my channel to like a new level of subscribers. After this video I like struggled to get out again, like what to do next, lose that whole cross bun. Yeah.
I don't know how successful you can call that toasted.
It was like another 10 days, that's nothing now. I haven't made a video for like 2.5 months, 3 months maybe. found that knife today. I lost it for a while. Giving it a soak in some methylated spirits. Because it won't open at the moment. But yeah, try and get that open again. And, I'm happy I found that. Go camping. Might get me out.
It's probably not going to be the quietest nights being on a roundabout, but it's pretty beautiful. Those daffodils.
Those daffodils. That is pretty beautiful, really.
Has anyone else got one of these? I've tried a few camping toasters, but apparently this one's one of the better ones. You've got to be careful. It doesn't. Sorry, just wait for that big loud motorbike to go by. Yeah, it does like you've got to keep an eye on it. It'll just catch quickly, but it's nice to be able to enjoy toast when you're out camping. Or hot cross bun, toasted tea cake.
Toasted tea cakes are probably a bit big, but hot cross buns.
I was here yesterday.
Perfect.
I walked from where I normally park down the road, about half an hour away. Got here, was unpacking, realised I didn't bring any gas.
Yeah, I can't remember if I said that in this video. That's why I did come the day before, check out this spot. Well, I came with everything to camp apart from gas.
I would have survived the night.
But those meatballs are
came back
not
today,
that great.
Try again.
Hot.
Got the gas
cold
today, so we're good. There's a Burger King over by the hotel.
Over there.
Just past before. Might go there later. I don't know. Might break one of the rules of self camping. Once you get to camp and set up camp, don't leave because you might get caught. Once you're in, you're in.
This video makes me feel lazy.
Just gonna chill for a bit.
Like,
Hopefully before the sun goes down, I can try and show you around the roundabout.
feels like I'm moving about more in this camp, you know.
Yeah, just gonna relax for a bit, eat some chocolate.
And other camps,
Get back to you in a bit.
different shots and stuff.
Sun's about to dip out of sight. I'm just gonna jump out and see if I can show you around. Well, there's a roadwork van just on one of the exits, one of the entrances for the roundabout. So we're just gonna wait a bit, cook some dinner, and I'm gonna have a look a bit later. Dolmio meatballs and Dolmio pasta. I've not tried these before, so
Not tried them again since. Yeah, that'll make it better.
it's alright. It's little meatballs, pasta. Ahead, not at the roundabout. Stonehenge is just down there. It's just so busy now. Everyone must be going home. They've been out today and now they're all heading home. It's a pain in the arse to take that tent down now. See it? There we are. Maybe I'll give it another half an hour and see.
You only had like basic equipment back then, you know, just what you needed. No like camouflage clothes or anything like that. Just a hoodie,
Just come up to
red
9 o'clock
backpack.
now. It's pretty dark.
Out doing it. Now I've got
It's hard to
all
see the
sorts.
branches before they poke you in the eye.
Struggle to do it.
Still over there. I'll show you in the morning, a bit further around. It's just pretty dark anyway. It's about 12 o'clock now.
Telling the time again.
Get a buzz about out there. Busy road from London to the southwest, A303. So I'm just gonna get off to bed now. I'll show you around hopefully in the morning, because it won't matter if I get caught when I'm packed up from that. So yeah. Oh yeah, before I go to bed, thank you for everyone who's subscribed. I've got over 100 subscribers now. Really
Know what that
appreciate
was.
it. It's cool. Thank you, and good night. Morning, everybody. It's a little cold still, but it's feeling pretty well. Holding about only like 5 hours, but it's pretty good for a camp. It's starting to get noisy again now. It's 6:30, but slowly get out of bed and get packed up.
It's a cold morning. There's like frosts.
Is HelloFresh worth the price? Absolutely. I just love the idea.
It's like frost on the top of the tent when I get out, if I remember rightly. Yeah, ice drops on the twigs.
See how cold it is still. Icicle.
Spring frost still.
Oh, right. See it? Bit of ice still. Nice bit of frost on the tent. Solid in places. Look at this. All from condensation. Spring hasn't quite sprung fully yet. Oh dear. Packed up. Oh, it's cold packing up this morning. Just double check there's no pegs or anything. In a tiny space I was in last night. No, I think we're good.
Sorry, I'm not saying much. It's been a while since I watched this.
Phone saying it's -1.
Very cold.
Oh, so a little chilly.
Off back to my warm van. Yeah, that's the roundabout camp that started the craze. Who would have thought it? You know, there's multiple, like,
Let's
even
escape off this island.
the great Steve Wallace did a roundabout camp after this one. There's a few people who do them often now, you know, to my dismay. Kidding, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah.
The van's still there.
There's cars still over there. They've been there all night. I
It's
came in
crisp
that way.
morning.
Well, I'll go out this way and go explore a little bit.
Turn around in a second.
Let's go back this way. I'll just wait for this set of traffic to go. Work vans about.
Just thinking now, is this recorded? Should have done like a little test video. Fingers crossed, eh?
I see my van, it's still there, that's good. Successful night out, a bit cold, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I'm going to try and warm up. I'll see you next time for more stealth camps.
Large mid.
There we have it. Stealth camp on a roundabout. Done a few since then. This is still my biggest, 136,000 views. Next one's when I camp on a tiny roundabout. Make a little curry. But, you know,
Let's get my...
maybe that's for another day.
Looks like tactical.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has inspired me, like it's inspired a lot of people to get, you know, back in the bushes, back on a roundabout. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bang a couple of these out. Right.